Hi, it's Deb from Deb's Days Designs, and I'm back with another easy sewing project. Today we're making this quick and easy quilted table runner. Use your favorite seasonal or holiday fabrics and get your home, or any tabletops, ready for any season. Before I get started, I publish new content frequently, so be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel or stop by the blog at debsdays.com. That's where you'll find a digital version of this project. It has the materials list and cutting measurements, step-by-step written instructions, and color photos. You can download it at home and print out the entire pattern, or, to save paper, just read through the directions on your device. All right, let's get this project started. Along with your regular sewing supplies for this project, you'll need fabric for the front, the border, and the backing, cotton batting. You may also find basting spray, a free motion foot, or a walking foot would be helpful for this project as well. First, place the backing fabric with the wrong side facing up. Center the batting in the middle and baste it in place. With the right side of the fabric facing up, place one border strip along the bottom long edge of the batting and baste it in place. With the right sides facing, place the main fabric along the long edge of the border strip. Stitch using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Since we're using the backing as a binding, do not stitch past the edge of the batting. Press it open and baste the main fabric to the batting. With the right sides facing, place the other border strip along the other long edge of the main fabric and stitch using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Remember not to go past the edge of that batting. Press it open and baste the border to the batting. And quilt it as desired. I used a combination of meandering and wavy stitching for mine. Fold the backing out of the way and very carefully trim away any excess batting or fabric. Then unfold the backing and trim the backing fabric so it measures 1.5 inches away from the edge of the front piece. To create the binding and mitered corners, fold the corner of the backing so it meets the corner of the front piece and press it. Open up the fold and cut on the creased line. Fold the cut corner over the corner of the front piece and press it. Fold each side so the raw edges of the backing meet near the raw edges of the front and press it. Fold the backing fabric over one more time so it becomes a binding on the front and press it. Follow the same technique all around the table runner using fabric clips or pins to hold it in place. Adjust the mitered corners if necessary. Then top stitch around the outside near the open edge of the binding. And just like that, just that fast, you've quilted your own seasonal or holiday table runner, just in time for any season. See you next time with another project.